Corresponding to question, for the circuit shown below, the before adding the capacitor, if the total power supplied by the source was P this equal to like this one and Q this equal to like this one. Okay, so suppose that is Px source apparent power, Px this equal to written as P plus jq. Corresponding to question, if suppose that let n this be equal to 27, if n is 27, then what about P? 2 into 27 plus 1, 27 plus 1, that is 28, into 10 to 1000 in watt, converted in watt, and this is also 1.1 into 10 1000. Finally we got that is 56. Okay, that is 28 into 2, 56 1000 plus that is 1100. Okay, J written is like this one. Clear? Now corresponding to question, then what about P2? First of all, this power is equal to total power supplied by this source power, or you can say that this apparent power, or you can say that this power P plus jq is equal to the total load, or you can say the total power. So Px is written this equal to P2 plus, suppose that is S2, that is S3, and that is S4. Clear? So written as S2 S3 plus S4. Clear? What about S2? S2 is P2 and this one is a capacitor, so is written P2 minus 600. Clear? J 600. Why? Because of capacitor. They are saying capacitor reactive power is minus. Okay, and what about S3? S3, that is 800. If I don't know, then plus JQ3. Okay, and what about S4? That is 1200 minus or plus, that is inductive. That's why we have taken plus J 1400. Clear? And this one is finally written as P2, this one and this one, P2 plus 800 plus 12. Okay, 1200. Finally we got, you can say that is okay, plus J 14 minus 8, that is 8, that is 800, 14 minus 6, that is 800 plus Q3. This be equal to 56,000 plus J 1100. So finally compare this one, this be equal to this one. So P2 plus 2000, we got 56. So P2 this be equal to 56,000 minus 2000. 56,000 minus 2000, that is 54,000 in, if converted in kilo, minus, that is 54 kilowatt. So this one is 54 kilowatt. Clear? P2 is 54 kilowatt. Clear? Now another way, what about Q3? That is this be equal to 800 plus P3, sorry Q3. If Q3, that is what is Q3? That is 300 VAR. Okay, so finally Q3 is 300 VAR. Clear? Now last one, first of all make it. Now next one, if a capacitor attached like this one, our motto then one, if capacitor used to improve the power factor, then new power factor is, if capacitor is attached like this one, okay, and which power, like this one. So after capacitor added in the circuit, so next power, that is S this equal to SS plus SL, or you can say the SC. SS this equal to 56,000 plus J 1100 minus J, that is 525. Okay, so finally we got as this equal to 56 J 1100 minus 525, that is 575. Okay, now next target, if this one is P Q, and that is under root P square plus Q square, and that is phi. Our mode to determine cos phi. Cos phi is P, that is this one 56000 divided by under root of 56000 to the whole square plus 575 to the whole square. Okay, so finally to the whole square plus 56000 to the whole square, like this one, for under root, that is 2.95. So 56000 divided by 5600 2.95, that is 0.99947. Okay, that is lagging power factor. Power factor is lagging. Why? Because of Q is positive, that's why. Make it.